What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I'm back again. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Have you ever wondered, how do I know if this broker is regulated? How do I know if I'm trading with the right broker? So this video is for you. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching.
And now, a word from this video's sponsor. We all know that to trade the markets you need a regulated broker. But in today's Forex industry, finding a regulated broker with good customer service is becoming increasingly difficult. This is why you need to download Wikifx. This app is connected to every regulatory broker board globally, so they can help you find the best regulated brokers with the best spreads and leverage. They also keep a list of all brokers who are known to scam people, so you can avoid these brokers before you lose your trading capital. So, if you have any broker-related queries, use Wikifx and protect your capital.
Yes, guys, on the Apple, what you need to do, you just click on the App Store, and when you click on the App Store, you type Wikifx, and then you click on download. Remember, guys, with this one, all you need to do on this video, you just need to click on the link below so that it takes you directly into the app and you are able to download it. So I just want to show you guys how it's situated and how it looks like on the app store. So now it's downloading the Wikifx. It will help you guys to regulate most of the brokers. I know many people have been questioning and asking themselves, how do I know if this broker is regulated? See, information blockchain industry, okay, experience now. So now I can just click don't allow and then agree. Yes. So with this one, you can be able to enter the company name or the license number. So I'm gonna enter Forex, which is one of the brokers that I use. And also you guys can click on the link below to open an account with Forex. They call it HF Markets now. There it is. So you must be careful of looking at the clones. You can see others, they are cloned so that people, when they try to search for HF market, they are redirected to their brokers, which they are suspicious or they are maybe using another license that is cloned. So this is the broker that I recommend and the one that I'm using. You can see their ratings. The benchmark is 88, full license, MT4 and MT5, 5 to 10 years experience. So basically, this broker has licenses in South Africa, in UK, United Kingdom, and other countries. You can at most see that they are most trusted, and also you can scroll and look at their reviews as well. So this is the broker that I recommend that you guys be using, since I'm using it as well. They are mostly trusted, and you can actually click here on where it says website, then it directly takes you to the Forex website. So this is the broker that I recommend you guys to see. And the other broker that I will check, there's over 3,000 brokers that you can check here. Other broker that I will check is bdswiss. So be careful. You can see others, they are 1 to 2 years, others they're 0 years, TD Swiss, there's others. So look here, this one is BD Swiss, but he has 2 to 5 years experience. It's suspicious regulatory license. So it's possible that it might be using another license, trying to trade in a clone of bdswiss. You can see this one is 7. So I would recommend you guys to be trading with brokers that have 7 ratings and more. You can see it's 4 stars out of 5. You wouldn't want to trade with a broker that has 2 stars or 1 star. You understand? So you can see the broker is regulated in sex. I'm sure in America they're still trying to get the license, or maybe there's issues. You can also see the overview as well. You can be able to see the bdswiss and their website as well, and their Twitter account. So trading with the right and safe broker enables you to be able to understand and make sure that you are not trapped, or your money is not lost into the system. So this is where you see and try to search for it on the app. Now I will be showing you just how to see, regulate or review the broker that you use on the website. So guys, on this video, you can see on my previous video, I have the link here. All you need to do is click this link and it will direct you to download. So if you're using a smartphone, it just takes you directly to download it as well. So let's click on this one. You see, now it's taking you to the Apple app website. So if you're using an Apple store, you'll be able to download it here. So you will have a download button. So now what I'm gonna be showing is how also you are able to verify your broker online using a PC. So you can see we are having IC Markets, one of my favorite brokers as well. We have Global GT, HF Markets, XNES, and Go Markets. So there's a lot, guys, you need to understand. Also, let's look at what is currently happening here. You need to look at, let's look at IC Markets. You can quickly type IC Markets here. Be careful of the suspicious clones, guys. You see, this is the correct one. See, I've been using this broker since I started. It's a broker that has been existing for a very long time. You can see this one's there, even 10 to 15 years experience, regulated in Australia as well. So you can almost be safe that your money is secured. They won't run away with your money. They have proven themselves. And also look at the reviews as well, guys. As you know that, look at where they are. Their benchmark is AAA, the influence AAA. So this is one of the oldest brokers, guys. I will recommend that you use and trade with the right broker. So you can see as well, we are having their support, their contact details. You have their Instagram handles, their social media, Twitter account, and you also have your IC Markets. So they also have a minimum deposit of $200 and 1:500. And you can also see their marketing strategy with Google. So we are having a lot of traders that are impersonating others. So learn to trade with the right broker. Click on this one, see takers. So you'll see the list of the brokers, and you can see what is it, all licenses here. If you want to see the ones that have the licenses in South Africa, you click on FSCA. You can see we are having HF Markets, XNES, which they also have offices as well in Sandton and also in Cape Town. So this is the brokers that are legit, the brokers that you should be trading with. Click the link below and open your account with the broker that I use, the broker that I recommend. and also click the link below to be able to download your Wikifx. So looking at this, you can almost see the Wikifx is offering people a very great information for people to be aware of the scam brokers out there. So learn to be informative, learn to be aware, don't be stereotyped and just use a broker without getting the right knowledge and finding out where is this broker from. So you need to find out if you are using the right broker that you should use. As you know from me, your favorite mentor, please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and share button, and also catch me in the next video. I'm happy to be sharing this information with you guys so that you can be able to trade with the right brokers. There's very and tons of fake brokers out there that are running away with people's mind. So don't be a victim. Use the broker that I use and also verify the broker with the Wikifx. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Peace.